Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, September 19th, our word of the day is ineluctable. I-N-E-L-U-C-T-A-B-L-E. Ineluctable. Ineluctable is an 11-letter word and an adjective. Remember, adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns: enormous, dog-like, silly, yellow, fun, fast. They can also describe the quantity of nouns: many, few, millions, 11. Ineluctable means impossible to avoid. Similar words include inescapable, unavoidable, inevitable, unpreventable, inexorable, assured, certain, predestined. Examples of sentences using ineluctable are: those war plans rested on a belief in the ineluctable superiority of the offense over the defense. The blows of fate are ineluctable, no man shall evade his doom. The fact of the matter is basic and ineluctable, we need these lists. In Miami, the rising sea is already an ineluctable part of daily life. It's the stuff of science fiction but presented as almost ineluctable facts. He was in the grip of ineluctable forces, of power beyond himself. Make sure to save this new word, ineluctable, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.